What's up, everybody? This is Jacob Rakowski. I'm just leaving the Toronto slash Canada area. I'm actually in Buffalo. We drove down here and I am headed to Minneapolis. Oh, I got a line up here. I might have to redo this video, but anyways, I just wanted to say to you guys really quickly how amazing Toronto was in hosting me and making sure I had everything taken care of. They were so loving. They were so like, oh, can we take you to the grocery store? You know, making sure I had everything I needed, my place to stay. They made sure that I was fed. Of course, Miss Diane Solano is one of the best professional, I don't want to say caretaker, but she makes sure you're taken care of in the world. She made sure I always had food. You know, everything was easy for me. The bottom line of what I'm saying is when you bring somebody to town, you want to make sure that it is easy for them and that they don't have to be really stressed about putting something together and getting their food and getting their stuff. Upline or downline, it doesn't matter. You want to make them feel welcome at your home and make them feel like they're really taken care of and want to come back. And believe me, from going to Toronto, I want to come back. Toronto, as I mentioned, I was a little bit ungrounded this trip, a little bit all over the place in my mind from this 2-week meditation retreat, kind of like still putting the pieces back together from being in the mountains, on a mountain for 2 weeks, so I do apologize. But you guys made me feel right at home. You made me feel so good. And believe me, I know I have a home. I know I have my everything taken care of when I come back again. And believe me, when you take care of the people that come to see you, upline or downline doesn't matter, they're going to want to come back more to see you. So take their happiness into your own hands. Make sure you help more people and be focused on helping other people succeed in this business and in when they come to town, of course, and you'll be massively, massively successful. So with all that said, I hope that was a good, quick tip. Make sure their food is met, they have a place to stay, they're taken where they need to get taken. If they need to go to the gym, take them to the gym. If they need something else, take them to go do something fun, whatever. And they will definitely be coming back to see you. Keep it OG. God bless.